Hey everybody, it's Neil and I have the cutest dog ever, right? Say hi, Penny. Hi, Penny. Okay, but she's getting all those little mats and stuff in her. So, you know, so like the little things. I gave her a bath this morning. But so I got this here. They said this is supposed to help. So let's open this up and I'll show you. I'm gonna put her down on my little table here. She's gonna hate this. Let's see, how do I open this? So it looks like it comes with a set of 2 combs. You have a big one and a small one. Penny is tiny, so I'm gonna use the small one here. Stay there, good girl, Penny. You're so good. Okay, and I'll show you guys what it is here. So it's like this, it's a really hard metal comb. And so this will give me the ability, let me aim you down at Penny. So then I can go like that, and I can get her knots out. She doesn't really have very many now, but if she did, that would be getting them out. But she's got a lot of fur. But how cool is that? And then it's got a thin one too, so I could do that. Do you like that, Penny? I don't think she does because she's up on here on this little stand. But that's kind of it. So it's a cool little comb. I like this one. Thumbs up.